Here is just a quick tutorial on the app called Retro Feel Good Social. So you can let's just open up. So first, to create an account, you just need to do it with your phone number. Just enter your phone number, then you can receive SMS verification. It's not possible to sign in with Google or Apple. So yeah, here is how you can just add a week to week. Friends only. Retro is a safer, private way to share. Only the friends you can add see your photos. No lurking. It's more fun when everyone shares. You need to post each week to unlock photos. Make it yours, and then pick your people, so you can see people who are on the contacts. But maybe you can just search. Okay, so maybe that's how you do it. You can allow notification, and then that's your account. So this app was created by former team members of Instagram. So it has some nice Instagram vibes. And then, yeah, you can just add friends. You can invite friends. There is some social media. And then retro social photo. Try adding photos to 3 different weeks below. So here you just have, your week. And then you can just add a photo. Allow full access, and then add to your week. So for example, you can just add some photos, but then, all right, so maybe you can just try to add this. So you can add the photo here. You just basically give access to your camera roll, and then you just give access to the photo. And then, yeah, you can just have that. Then you just send a postcard. You can delete posts. So yeah, I just kind of yeah. And then, all right, so let's just also give this. So I need to add one more. So let's try to add another week, whatever. And then I can just update with this, some pants, and then, all right, so I still need to add to 3 different weeks. And then this is done. So now only friends who have been a key can see back more than 4 weeks, which is quite cool. And then you have, you just add in all these photos to the week from your camera roll. So that's the idea. Nice. Create a recap. You can create some recap. You can have some settings. Permissions, you can delete your account in the bottom, edit profile. I was surprised that actually, a lot of usernames are already reserved in this app. You can also change your profile photo. So yeah, kind of app like that, and then just add friends. You can add friends from your contacts. You can just invite them from here. Quite a lot of users already. Maybe they just got some experience from Instagram how to grow it, but there you have it.